Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Good morning, go.
Oscar, Alpicus, watch out! The floor! It's slippery.
Yikes! It's freezing in here. Is Kala up yet?
Morning, Harry.
Kala, watch out! The floor! Is slippery.
Oh, thanks, Harry.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Okay, I'll admit we seem to have a minor heating challenge.
Whoa!
All right, a major heating challenge. Either way, step one is to identify the problem, and fortunately, I have.
So have I. Global warming.
A broken furnace.
Maybe we should check outside first to see if the problem's in the same everywhere.
OMG, what if it's worse out there?
Look, let's just try and figure out why Gummy's place is freezing.
True. But while we're doing that, you've got to admit it is pretty cool to have our very own indoor winter wonderland here. La dee la 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 la. Oh, let me try again. La dee la 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 dee la.
Enough of this foolishness. We've got a problem to solve.
Okay, I've taken the liberty of making a few simple calculations.
Simple calculations? Look, guys, I really think we should first check outside.
Haven't you been listening, Gummy? It could be worse out there.
Maybe even worse than worse. And trust me, that's not good.
Okay, if you three are so intensely to argue, at least I can keep you a little bit warmer to do. Woo, woo, woo,
It's quite obvious that the thermocouple was angled, which would allow it to work.
Climate change. Because sometimes people find the weather colder
Failure of the parts because of the
and draw
angle.
the ridiculous conclusion.
Which is far too hot for a Series 5 dual bevel 437E thermocouple, which this clearly is.
The key to keeping warm while you try and figure this out is to keep at it, right? So, if you absolutely gonna argue, at least I'll sing my song to the beat. You're wrong, and I'll prove it before long. This looks like some tulips, and a knife and fork gonna make you eat them bird. You're wrong, I'll prove it before long. Cause you're wrong. Absolutely, cause it took it really, truly, really, coolly wrong.
Look, this is getting us nowhere. We've got to get busy working out the details of my
solution, since you're obviously too stubborn to.
Does anybody have a remote control to mute these three?
Now forget it.
The best way for everybody to keep warm is pretend that the cold just doesn't exist.
Ice, ice, gummy. It's freezing inside. The floor's a sheet of ice. What happened last night? Has winter come early? I can't feel my toes. My buns do feel frosty, and I got a red nose. Ice, ice, gummy. In my own living room, sleeping and sliding the baby balloon. Flat on my butt and flat on my face, sliding and skating just a little place. Ice, ice, gummy. Ice, ice, gummy. Ice, ice, gummy. Ice, ice, gummy.
If it's such a wonderful warm day at the beach, why are we freezing our buns off?
Hey, I realize things aren't perfect, but sometimes life in question of making the best out of what you're given. I mean, why? When you can. I still think we should check outside to see any problems everywhere or not.
Okay.
Huh?
No, it wasn't a broken furnace.
It wasn't global warming.
If you eliminate the impossible, then what's left must be true, no matter how improbable. Right, Gummy?
Huh? I mean, absolutely. I just remember something. When I was streaming last night of the heat wave in the Sahara, while I was testing out my new pucker and new blinds of the joints, I may have kind of silently, probably got up and while sleepwalking. Maybe we should go on our holiday, go to Gran Canaria while waiting for my place to heat back up.
Sounds like a plan.
Be careful, that floor might still be slippery.